Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome to Stingray Johnny's Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to show you another tip and trick, and it is going to make your life great if you happen to have a car like this that has the problem that this one had. I got this car recently, and it has a very common problem, or had a very common problem that a lot of these cars have. And what that problem is the wing was crooked. Now, I don't know if it looks straight to you here, but I can assure you it is straight. I straightened it, and I straightened it very nicely. And it's a very easy thing to do, and I'm going to teach you how to do it today. So, do you want to know how to do it? Okay. With this, a heat gun. Not a hairdryer, not a little glass of water, hot water, no, a heat gun. I don't know what these heat guns cost, but I do know that this one's 1800 watts. It's digital on the back, and it was extremely, extremely effective for fixing the body on this car. So what I did was I heated it right under here, right under the wing here, and I probably heated it, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds maybe. And when you do that, you will absolutely feel that plastic starting to melt. Now, you don't really want to melt it, but you want to heat it up enough where you can bend this without, breaking it. And you'll feel it. You will feel it. If you heat it up, heat up like 10 seconds, see if you can bend it. Heat up another 10 seconds, see if you can bend it. And when you can bend it, you're going to know you can bend it. And, it's not a hard thing to do. You'll feel it. So if you have a bent wing on your car, get a heat gun. Like I said, this one's 1800 watts. Bought it on eBay. Works really good. And I just heat it up. Like I said, heat up a little bit. Kind of touch it and see if you can move it, and do that a couple times until all of a sudden it's going to go. You're going to feel it. You're going to be, oh my god, it moved, and that's where you stop, and then get it into place. Put your heat gun down, bend it into place, and you're going to be really happy that you did, because your wing will then be straight like this one. So that's it for my tip and trick of the day. Please like and subscribe, and come back again soon, and I'll have more tips and tricks for you. Bye-bye.